Hello. Today is Monday, September 11th, and I'm coming to you from the Veterans Memorial Garden here in Norfolk, Nebraska. And I wanted to take a moment to remember the tragic events that occurred 22 years ago that took nearly 3,000 fellow Americans' lives. I know all of us remember where we were that day, and it's pretty tough to go back and reflect on it. But rather than reflecting on the somberness of that day, I thought maybe today we could just take a moment and pause and think about the things that we do have, because we don't have the control to stop changes like the change that happened to our country on that day. But we do have the opportunity to be gracious, and we do have the opportunity to be kind. We work in one of the best industries in this country, an industry that gets to serve all of our fellow Americans. So today, just take a moment and be grateful and be thankful for the work that you have, and maybe share some random acts of kindness, whether that's a smile, a handshake, whatever it may be. I don't think there's any better way to memorialize the loss of that day than to share a little bit of love. Everyone have a great day. God bless you, and God bless America.